Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Rookie Nails. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating this nail look I found off of Pinterest. I came across this look and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I love the simplicity of it and I thought it would be a perfect nail look to recreate on a rookie level. So of course, I'm going to put my own spin on it, make it more Christmassy, but the whole thing, child, is a whole complete, let's not forget, copy. So I'm just starting the look out by adding the base color acrylics. I decided that instead of going for the pink look, it seemed more Christmassy if I went with blues. So I'm using this winter baby blue for the lighter blue, a royal blue for the darker blue, and then a black for the black. And I'll leave all the name of the colors that I used down in the description box. So now I'm going in with a clear acrylic to encapsulate the nails, and this way the colors are protected, and in the case of the black, the colors won't bleed through. So I've already gone ahead, filed, and prepped the nails off camera, and now I'm just trying to decide which Moosehead is going to be the best fit for the look. So these decal sheets are actually available in my Etsy shop starting at $6 per sheet. I say that because this sheet is one of the cool features that I offer on my shop. You can actually get this sheet in a different color, different foil, or printed in white ink. And I actually have 19 different foils to choose from, and this sheet is made using the sapphire blue. The foil decals are really cool. If you ever want a metallic look without the work, then this is definitely the route to take. Not only do they come out beautifully, but you can place them on any colored background, including dark colors, and it will look just fine and pop, like case in point. I definitely think these decals are great for the whole winter season and are very trendy this year, so you really don't have to worry about getting them for the holidays. They'll definitely do for the whole season. Anyhow, I'm just applying the decals to the nails, and I've already gone ahead and let them soak in the water for about 15 seconds. I ended up wiping it off, placing it on the nail, assuming that there is a base coat on top, and then I applied a base coat on top of that nail before I cured it. And to tell you the truth, I use several different methods when I'm applying them. There's really no rhyme or reason why I choose one method over the other. I just honestly just be doing nails, and I don't even be thinking, I just be going. So I'm using this Model 1 polish, and I'll leave the name in the description box, but it is the closest color to the acrylic on the nail. Know that this seems silly, but this video was actually the video that made me decide that all of my sweater nails moving forward would only have a clear base. And I say that because I find that it's very hard to match the polish to acrylic. I end up polishing over the acrylic anyway, which ends up being a total waste of product. So in order to alleviate that, I just find that it's easier to have a clear acrylic base. Then I polish over that with any color that I like. Okay, so jumping back into the sweater nail, I'm just going in and adding those sweater details. Little trick I like to do to get the perfect sweater design is drawing dots or dashes. For example, listen, hear me out. When you want to draw a straight line, instead of jumping straight in and trying to draw that line in one setting, how about you draw dots and connect them? I promise you this will help you out so much, and it's literally the only way that I can get a steady sweater design. Lastly, I'm going in with the acrylic, pouring that on top of the uncured sweater design, and then popping that under the lamp for 60 minutes to cure. So this is the finished design, and I hope that you like it. I decided to add another sweater pattern to the pointer finger only because I felt like she looked a little lonely. But if you think I did a good job in recreating the first look, please let me know down in the comments section, as I would love to hear your thoughts. Now I want to thank you all again for joining me. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.